Another really helpful feature about having AI in our washing machines is going to analyze the efficiency, the timing of when we do our washing. And if you're on cheaper electricity in the evening, it's going to work that out and it's going to advise you, let's put this wash on at 7 p.m. when it's that little bit cheaper.
Hello, and thank you for watching the Ideal Home Show YouTube channel with me, Wayne Perry. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you think of AI, you might picture robots or complicated tech, not your toaster or washing machine, but today's guest, Lee Baldry, is here to change that. In this episode, we're diving into the real-life, everyday ways AI is showing up in your home, especially in the kitchen and laundry room, to make life smoother, smarter, and a whole lot easier. Lee is a tech expert who believes AI isn't something to fear, it's something to embrace, and he's got the appliances to prove it. We're talking about smart ovens that scan your food and cook it to perfection, AI-powered toasters that know the difference between sourdough and a bagel, and remember exactly how you like it. Washing machines that analyse your laundry and adjust water detergent and cycle time automatically. And dryers that communicate with your washer to dry your clothes just right. No more shrinking or crispy socks. Plus, Lee shares how AI tools like ChatGPT can help reduce food waste by turning whatever's in your fridge into a meal plan. So if you've ever wondered, is AI safe in my home? Or do I really need a smart appliance? This episode is for you. Let's step into the future of home life with Lee Baldry.
Hi, my name's Lee. I'm your smart home tech guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how AI is going to help you in your kitchen at home. Not only cook your beef to perfection, toast your toast perfectly, but also get your laundry done without even thinking about it. So in your laundry room, when you're ready to do your washing, all you got to do is load up the washing machine with 24 wash loads of detergent, and the machine's going to take exactly what detergent it needs after it's analysed your laundry, working out the colour, the material, and how dirty it is. It'll then get the water temperature perfect and do the cycle in the right timing to get that washing done. Now, towards the end of that wash, about 3 or 4 minutes before the end, it's going to send all the information of that washing to the tumble dryer. So if the tumble dryer needs to get pre-warmed, it's going to do that and get ready to receive that wash load to get it dried. And unlike what I've only found this out recently, you shouldn't dry everything completely bone dry. Who knew? Well, AI did, and that's why it's now helping us in our kitchens. Another really helpful feature about having AI in our washing machines is going to analyze the efficiency, the timing of when we do our washing. And if you're on cheaper electricity in the evening, it's going to work that out and it's going to advise you, let's put this wash on at 7 p.m. when it's that little bit cheaper.
For nearly 25 years, Cox & Cox have been helping people fall in love with their homes with beautifully crafted furniture and accessories you won't find anywhere else. Their buyers travel the world to bring you original designs, always with an eye for quality and enduring style. From freestanding kitchen units and made-to-order sofas to statement lighting, storage and accessories, their offering captures each new season with a timeless aesthetic and effortless style. Every piece is handpicked with care for a collection that is curated for design lovers by design lovers. The English rustic trend is an evocative and layered look with eclectic accessories and furniture full of texture and character. It features colour in deeper tones with embroidered and printed textiles and natural materials reminiscent of cosy cottages and homely farmhouse style. And when it comes to Christmas, Cox & Cox is the place where festive dreams begin. Their eagerly anticipated festive trends are a highlight of the season, bringing together everything you need from show-stopping faux trees, baubles and lights to Christmas liners and gift wrap. So whether you want a serene, nature-inspired festive decor, a little retro glamour, or a fun, classic, nostalgic family Christmas, Cox & Cox have a trend to match your style. Click the link in the description below to create a home you love to be in with Cox & Cox.
You may wonder why we need AI in our toasters. Well, I can tell you why. I didn't know soft bread, bagels, and even like sourdough all take different temperatures and different times to get right, in your favorite shade of toast. So with the AI toaster, you can really get down to the detail of how you like your toast done. So whether you're using sourdough or soft white or even a bagel, if your preference is a certain shade, you can program that in and it'll remember it. So every time you put your bagel in, it's going to be cooked exactly how you like it, because even whilst it's toasting that bread, bagel or sourdough, it's going to keep an eye on the shade. So ChatGPT, you may have already heard of this. It's really helpful AI, especially in the kitchen. If you've got a cupboard full of tins, full of product, and a fridge full of stuff, but have no idea what to cook, if you need some inspiration, give ChatGPT exactly what's in your fridge, exactly what's in your cupboard, and ask for a few recipes. It's going to deliver those recipes to you and how to cook them as well. You can even ask for quick recipes. Say, well, I just want a 15-minute dish. What can I create? You can then ask it, what do I need to go to the supermarket to buy to make use of everything that I've got in my fridge and everything I've got in my cupboard? No food goes to waste then. Some people are a little bit scared of AI. They're a bit fearful of letting it into our homes. Don't be. A lot of these systems are just closed. The AI is within the product, i.e. your toaster. The toaster's going to get to know exactly how you like your toast done, but it's not going to tell anybody. It's literally a closed system. All it's going to do is help us get things done in the house and have a little bit of help in and around the home. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and you're going to get AI in your home helping you make your life that little bit easier.
AI isn't just some far-off concept. It's already at work in our kitchens and laundry rooms, quietly making everyday life easier. Thanks to Lee Baldry, we now know how AI enables oven toasters and washing machines to tailor tasks to our exact preferences. Smart appliances can reduce waste, save time, and actually take some of the mental load off our plates. Tools like ChatGPT can turn random fridge ingredients into dinner ideas. No recipe books needed. And if you're still wondering whether AI is safe at home, Lee's answer is yes. There are closed systems built to help, not to overstep. Big thanks to Lee for showing us that tech doesn't have to be intimidating when it works with you, not against you. It can make everyday routines a little more effortless. If this episode sparks some curiosity, share it with a friend who still thinks smart appliances are just a gimmick, and hit subscribe. There's more home and wellness wisdom coming your way. See you next time.
Hello everyone.
Hi, I'm Mark Meadows.
I'm Michelle Marby-Davies.
I'm Annie Sloan and I invented chalk paste.
So, cocktails. The hive will produce 30 or 40 pounds of honey in a year.
I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can improve your home life using the very latest smart tech.
If you're looking to move or improve,
have I got a chocolate and tonka bean? I might just have
we've got all sorts planned. This hob is actually amazing.
a little chocolate and tonka bean.
The lovely aroma, the curry leaves.
Might do that neat right at the end as a little treat for me really.
So what I love to do is go for citrus-based scents.
And it can be amazing for your skin.
So it really becomes a different look from day to evening.
To have a plan without thinking about colour, texture or specific product choices.
We've got talks, drop-in sessions, explanations, workshops, everything.
Oh, it's a good job it's 7 p.m, isn't it? I'd get into trouble. So,